What up, guys? On this channel, we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops, and other investments based on crypto. But this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you migrate your Mind token into your wallet directly. So if you've not watched the full video to the review of this application, you can just do that. The full review video will be in the description box below. So all you do is just watch the video so you understand what I'm doing here, so you can join us for this video. So the next thing to do right now is to go directly to your personal. So on the personal, you go to the user verification. So for the user verification, if you're not verified with this eKYC, you need to be verified first before doing the step I'm going to be showing you guys. Because if you're following me on my Telegram channel, I posted the exact date the eKYC started, and many people followed and made their KYC possible. But if you have not joined the Telegram channel, you're still missing. That's why you missed out. So sorry about that. So you can just follow up on the Telegram channel right now so that you won't miss another great information. So if you're among the verified candidates, so the next thing to do in order to migrate, just go directly to this mining. So once you get to this mining, there are 4 stages there, but you go to the statistics directly. So once you're on the statistics, you go to the user verified. So on the user verified, you can see I've already mined 305 now. So to migrate, I'll just click on the migration. So now I can't migrate more than 100 units in order not to get messed up. You understand? They are still working on this wallet version. So what I can do now is I can migrate like 100 units. But what I'm going to do is just migrate only 10 units in order to test this wallet out first. So now what we're going to do is get the 10 exactly and click on the apply. So once we click on the apply, now it's said that we need to log in into the wallet properly. So I'll show you how to log into the wallet, because I've shown how to create this wallet in a previous video. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. You can watch how I created the wallet, and it's a very full and detailed review in that video. So now let's go to the wallet directly. So to leave the mining, I'll just click on the wallet. So you can see 3 stages that I can log in with. So I'll be using the hash code, because that's why I saved. You can save any of these 3 steps, but you make sure you save one, because if you don't save it, definitely you can lose this wallet. So now I've just logged into my wallet. So I will need to go back to the mining, and after the mining, I go to the statistics, as I said the other time. Now to user verified. So I want to migrate 10, as I said the other time. Just 10 is okay, it's just to make test of this wallet. So now when we get on the 10, we just click on the apply, and now you can see we've successfully migrated 10 units out of our 305 mined token. So on the migration history, you can see we have migrated 10. So now let's go to the wallet in order to confirm what we migrated. So as you can see, the 10 Rubi token is already here right now, and you can see the price in dollars. So if we're getting this kind of price for just 10, I guess it's wonderful. It's wonderful, because I know many of you have mined way more than 10. So for the swap function and the investment plans, it's not open yet, so that's still under construction. But for the send and receive, you can send like this. You just get the person's wallet address or the phone number the person registered with. So you just send the amount you want to send to the person. Make sure the person too is KYC'd already. So now for the receive, this is my own wallet address, and the number too will be showing down here right now. So I can copy that, send it to someone if I want to collect or receive. So we can see the wallet is still partially functioning, but they are still developing it more. Now going over to the settings here right now, you can change this from USDT to Euro. You understand? And you can do a transaction limit settings so that nobody will be able to withdraw more than what he or she has set on the transaction limit. So to do that, the first thing to do is you set your PIN. You go to the PIN settings, because if I enter my PIN right now, it's going to say error or not correct, because I've not set the PIN yet. So in order to do this, all you do is just go to the PIN settings. So to the PIN settings now, you need to put in the new PIN, and then you confirm the PIN you put in, and make sure you don't forget. You understand? So now you can put in the PIN here and make your transaction limit settings. And now if you turn to Euro, you just click on the apply. So once you apply it, you can see the Euro has changed, and we have 10 of these. Give us 50,000. No, is this 50,000 euro? That would be crazy. If it's 50,000 euro, man, all of us are making really crazy money here. We're making crazy money, but I'm not sure. I'm just saying anyway. I'm just saying. So I'm going to return it back to the USDT because I prefer the USD. So now returning it back to the USD, I just click on apply, and you can see it's 55, comma. If it's full stop and it's 000, we know that it's just 55. But now it's just 55, comma. So man, we are still hoping for something big anyway, but we don't know. As usual, we just hope for something good. So this is just to bring you guys the update around now. So I'll be bringing you more updates. Just stay tuned to the channel and keep mining, because definitely I can see a good potential with this mining project. So just keep mining, stay focused, join our Telegram channel for fast updates, as I said the other time, because people that join the Telegram channel, I really updated them for the eKYC, and many of them are already KYC. So I'm really happy for that. So if you're still not on the Telegram channel, you can join the Telegram channel because I post updates there every day. So see you in my next video. Stay always blessed.